If a spiritualist, if you said, "Oh, I want to work with touch one issue," and then you are facing challenges, doesn't mean that issue is not there or issue is not working. Of course, consciousness migration plays an important role in spirituality. If you move from Christianity to Islam, there's going to be consciousness migration. All these forces, they will clash. The forces that are behind Christianity are going to clash with the forces that are behind Islam. They're going to fight themselves. And while they are fighting, your life is in turmoil. You feel like, let me go back to Christianity. No, no, let me go back. No, 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 when I was a Christian, it wasn't like this. That is consciousness transfer. And so many people cannot withstand the consciousness transfer and the calamity that comes with it. So they retreat back to their former self because they feel safe there. Of course, if safe is what we are after, you know, then the sailor, the voyagers, never leave the shore because they are afraid of what is happening. Christopher Columbus will never have discovered the world, never have traveled around the world if he was afraid of what is going to happen.